Hello everyone, today I will show you how to automatically post content on multiple X accounts. This is the account management section. Here you can manage unlimited accounts that you add. You can also log in very easily. Just highlight the account and click Login X. The tool will automatically open the account and log into X like this. Before posting content to personal accounts, you need to create the content first. Now I will go to the Content Management tab. Here, you can create categories to store your contents. For example, I already added several contents inside each category. Now I will add a post to the category called Personal Post. I click Add Post, choose a category, and select the post type. Then I enter the title and the content. In the content section, you can also create a spin structure like this. Each text is separated by a vertical bar. The bot will randomly pick one of them to post. After setting the content, I will add images or videos. Here I select a few videos, and I can choose multiple files. If there is an error message, just ignore it. The bot will use one of the videos randomly. Finally, I save it. After creating the content, you can see it displayed here. Now I go to the Personal Post section. First, I choose the account category I want to post to. Then I select the content that I just created. I currently have 7 contents. You can allow sharing the same content between accounts. If you choose Post Random, the bot will randomly pick one of the 7 contents. Below, you can set how many posts each account will upload. For example, if I set 2 to 2, the account will post exactly 2 posts. Here, I will set it to only 1 post. You can also set the waiting time between actions, and you can enable interactions after posting, such as like or view. After that, I set the number of threads. Threads mean how many accounts will work at the same time. For example, if I set 6, accounts from 1 to 6 will post first. After finishing, the bot will switch to the next accounts automatically. Before posting, it is better to log in first in the Account Management section. This will make the process faster. During posting, the bot will show notifications here so you can follow it. There is no need to open Chrome. The bot runs in the background. These are the browsers that are currently running. After finishing, it will automatically switch to the next accounts. Let's check it. I will fast forward this part. Now I go back to Account Management to log in and verify the posts. I will check the first 5 accounts. As you can see, all videos were posted successfully. The upload time was 6 minutes ago. If you need an automation tool for Twitter or X, you can message me on Telegram or WhatsApp. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.